Hi, so on these sheets of paper, there's 2 questions per paper, and if she gets it right, she gets to pick a candy out of this bowl of candies.
The yumminess!
If she manages to get all of them right, or gets close to at least 90% of them right, she gets some Skittles.
Yumminess! I love Skittles. Okay, question number 1. The question is 144 divided by 12. Let's see. So the answer is 0 hundreds, 110, and 2 ones, which is 12. That's my answer to 144 divided by 12.
Yep, that's correct.
Yay!
Oh, I marked the wrong one.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, let me pick the candy.
Now you close your eyes.
I don't know what's cute. Ooh, this is peanut butter cup. This looks so good. Okay.
Now flip the paper over.
So this one is
9 times 12.
9 times 12. This is gonna be easy because it's multiplication. And so let's just do it. Question number 3. 12. Yay!
Now pick a candy.
Cat.
Take a break.
That ad. Okay, so I got this one correct. So now this is 2 times 8, and then
Sure. A number outside of a parentheses means you're multiplying.
Yeah. So that's the question. Let's see if I can solve this.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Aw.
Wrong. See what you didn't do here was you didn't follow the rules of PEMDAS. You didn't. So what you did was you divided it first instead of multiplying. Because in PEMDAS you do whatever operation comes first after you finish groupings and exponents.
So what is the right answer?
The right answer would be, so 16 minus 5, that's 11, divide that by 2, that would be 5.5.
Sorry, no chocolate.
No chocolate. No, you can keep it.
Okay, so I got 162.05. But I got it wrong. That's okay. So, next question is this.
10 to the second power.
Oh,
How you say it?
10 to the second power.
Stink. So, I got my answer and it's 100.
Do you want to explain why it's 100?
So with exponents, what you do is you take the number you take the big number and you multiply it by itself the amount of time, by the amount of time that the smaller number is. So if you have an exponent of 5, you just take the big number and multiply it by itself 5 times. But in this case, it's 2, so you take 10 and multiply it 2 times. So that'd be 10 times 10, which is 100. Next one is...
Ooh, I got the Hershey things.
Next one is 2 to the third power.
Ooh. So my answer was 8, and I got it correct.
Same explanation as last time. It's an exponent, so you multiply the big number, the amount of times that the exponent is, which is a smaller number. Now pick another candy.
Ooh, I got a Hershey milk chocolate. So, next question. It is 8 times 8. Let's think.
Now pick a candy.
Yummy candy. Ooh, I got another Kit Kat. Let me mix them up. So next problem is 5 times 5. That's going to be easy because you already know. So my answer is 25. Did I get it right? Yay! Ooh, I got another Hershey milk chocolate. The next question is 16 times 4. I hope I got it right. Aw.
No. So let's see what you did wrong here. So 16 times 4, that'd be 16 plus 16 plus 16 plus 16.
Oh,
What
I
you did was you
right.
added 16 to, you just kept adding 4.
Oops.
No candy for you.
I tried, guys. Okay. Next one.
Wait, there's one more.
Oh, yeah. So, 64 times 1 1/2.
No, just 1/2.
1/2.
Yeah, so 16 times 1/2, you could either do it like 64 times 1/2, you could do 64 times 1 over 2, because when you're multiplying a whole number by a fraction, you always multiply the whole number by the numerator, which is the number on top. And then you just divide it by the denominator, which is the number at the bottom, meaning you'd get 32.
Oh.
No candy for you.
I got 114. Well, next question. It is 37 divided by 3. 37 divided by 3. Okay.
What'd you get?
12.5.
Ooh, no.
Oh.
But I'll give you to it, since the answer was just a bunch of repeated 3s afterwards, and I don't think you'd get that.
Oh, so like you mean like it would be 12, 3,
So like
12.3.
let me see what you
that?
did. Let me see what you did. So what you should have done was you should have done the regular division of 37, divide that by 3. And then you just keep getting ones after the decimal. And so you just keep getting 3s after the decimal.
Yeah. So that means that it would have.
But it's still technically wrong.
So this would have been the answer?
No, 12 would have been the answer because you'd have to round it down.
Just normal 12?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay. Oh, this one's easy. Next question is pi. Ooh.
Bye.
And then if you like kept going, it would be like more simple. So the answer would be 3.14, and you can remember it as like March 14th because March is the 3rd month
Of the year.
Yep. So like January, February, March, and then you just put the decimal in the middle, and then you add the 14 after the decimal.
Speaking of pi, it just never stops talking because it goes on forever.
Yep. And then, so like, if it would go on again, it would be 3.141, and then it would keep going.
And numbers in pi don't repeat.
Yep.
They don't keep going after each other. Like, you can't just get 3.11111 or 3.14444.
Yeah. So it wouldn't be like
Okay, go to the next one.
9.3 like that.
Next one.
So next one.
So make sure you get your candy.
Ooh, I want to choose. Okay. So I got the Reese's Pieces. Ooh. So next question. 12.35 times 10.
Don't forget the 1.
Oh.
0.351 times 10.
12.351 times 10.
PJ, you gave a hard question.
Let's see.
Take a look at it.
So I don't really know, but my answer is 453, and I got it wrong.
So you forgot that when you're multiplying this by 10, you shift this over. You can either shift the decimal point over to the right, by the amount of zeros in the number, or you could shift the number itself over by 1 on the left, or on the left by how many zeros are in the number.
So what is the answer?
Now I know the answer.
What is the answer, Amber?
So I think the answer is now
You get second chance to answer the right one.
okay. So
Revival.
wait, I'm going to get a clear piece of paper because to work it out really quick. Okay. Okay, so let's work it out for my second chance.
So you had it right here, but then you decided to multiply this by 10, which you basically sort of messed it up. But really, what I see you sort of do was round it down to the nearest tenth. So you just rounded it to 123.5 or 123 and a half. So I'll give you that.
Wait, so I got it correct?
Because it's close enough, so I'll give you that.
So my answer was 123.50. So ooh, I got another Hershey things.
Another question.
So, the next question is 7. Here's my next question.
Gigi, that's hard.
Not easy.
I don't really know how to say this out loud, so.
Okay, so 7 plus 7 is 14 minus 8, that's 6. You're supposed to multiply that by 7.
Oh.
Sorry.
Oh.
No candy for you. So whenever it's when there's a number outside of parentheses or a variable like x or y or whatever, you multiply it. Last 2 questions.
So next one is. Sorry. This is the next one. Yes. typed in 100.
Wrong sign. See, look, the second you see a 0 in the equation, you should already know that it's immediately 0. If it's being multiplied, if there's a single number being multiplied by just 0, it's supposed to be 0.
Oh, so I almost got it. Because I already had the 110, but then I multiplied this part and then I added it to my 110.
Next one.
2.5 times 3. These are hard, kind of. 5 and 3. My answer is, let me make sure, 15 plus 15.
No, it's 2.5 times 3. So you should have done 2.5 or 2.5 times 3. And then you would have solved it like a normal equation. But like this decimal point just does not exist when you're multiplying it.
Oh.
So then.
So it would be 25 times 3? Oh. So how many did I get correct?
Let me see. Okay. Oh, did you get this one right? All of these right, but that's because most of these questions aren't for a 3rd grader. So most of these you usually learn the strategy and stuff to do it in later grades, especially with decimals. And you don't even learn that fractions are used for division until like later on. So since she tried her best, and since these questions were particularly hard for like lower grades, like a 3rd grader, get some Skittles.
Yummy! Yay! So these are these yummy Skittles. Hi guys! Hope you guys enjoyed my math questions. Since I tried my best, I really tried my best, and I would really appreciate if you liked and subscribed to my channel.